Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to make Facebook page for YouTube channel. Firstly, you need to open up the Facebook application and then go on the three dots on your right upper side. Then you need to scroll down and here on shortcuts you need to go for pages. Now as you can see on my first section on my upper side I have create an option. Go for create and go for get started. Then here you need to add the name for the page. It needs to be a profile page with name which will be related to the YouTube channel. For example, if your YouTube channel is called Mario, and also needs to be that name on your YouTube channel. Now what you need to do is just simply select the category. For example, if you're a gamer, here you need to type for video game. You can go just for gamer, then go next. Here you can enter the website. Also here you can go and copy the link from your channel and add it here and then get it back. Now I'll go on the skip site. Here you need to add a profile picture that will be also in your YouTube channel because needs to be related the bot with the same profile picture. Then go done and you need to wait. Now here you can add another information that are important for you. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have any questions please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.